Got mucus? Here's the best natural solution. If you're dealing with any kind of mucus, whether it's from pneumonia, bronchitis, sinus congestion, COPD, asthma, or even tonsillitis or a sore throat, there's a simple and inexpensive solution: salt. Why salt works so well? Salt has been used as a natural remedy for centuries. As far back as the 1700s, and even earlier, people understood its healing power. Doctors once recommended sea air and sea bathing for respiratory health, and they even noticed that workers in salt mines rarely got sick, even when others around them did. So what makes salt so special? Salt is naturally antimicrobial. That means it fights off viruses, bacteria, fungi, yeast, and mold. It's also excellent at breaking down thick mucus in your lungs and sinuses. Best ways to use salt for mucus relief. There are many ways to take advantage of salt's health benefits, from free to more advanced options. Breathe sea air. If you're near the coast, simply breathing in the salty ocean breeze can help clear your lungs and sinuses. Drink salt water. Mix a teaspoon of sea salt in a glass of warm water and drink it. It helps thin mucus and supports hydration. Gargle with salt water. This classic remedy is especially helpful for sore throats and mucus buildup in the throat. Use a neti pot. A saline rinse can flush out your sinuses effectively and safely. Visit a salt room, also known as a salt house. This is a controlled environment filled with dry salt particles, a step up in both cost and effectiveness. What is halotherapy? One of the most advanced and pricier methods is halotherapy, which uses a halo generator. Halo comes from the Greek word for salt. A halo generator grinds pure sodium chloride, not sea salt to avoid impurities, into fine, breathable particles and disperses them into the air, often while you sleep. These particles are super absorbent, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial. By breathing in this dry salt air, you help loosen thick mucus and reduce inflammation throughout your airways. It's like bringing the healing benefits of the sea right into your bedroom. What about antibiotics? It's important to understand that most respiratory infections are viral, not bacterial. That means antibiotics won't work. These viruses usually run their course within 3 to 10 days. Instead of fighting a fever right away, especially in children, let it run its course. A fever is your body's natural defense mechanism. It's how the immune system cooks the virus to kill it. How to support your immune system? Naturally. To help your body heal faster and fight off infection more effectively, support your immune system with vitamin D, vitamin C, zinc. Also, remember, getting sick isn't always bad, especially for kids. It's how the immune system learns and becomes stronger. A sterile environment may actually do more harm than good in the long run. I personally had sore throats several times a year growing up, but now, I rarely get sick, because my immune system is trained and strong. Final thoughts. If you're struggling with mucus in your sinuses or lungs, salt is one of the best natural remedies you can use. It's affordable, time-tested, and incredibly effective. Try it for yourself and breathe easier.